A polynomial p of x, a polynomial p of x has and a divisor d of x are given. Use long division to find the quotient q of x and the remainder r of x. Express p of x in the form p of x equals d of x times q of x plus r of x. So we are given p of x and d of x. Now we need to divide them. To perform the long division, you can refer to the problem we did in the previous video about long division. But now we are going to just so let's do the long division. So we have x cubed minus 343. So we have x cubed minus 343 divided by x plus 7. Okay, so before we do the division, I'm going to do some changes. Not changes, I'm going to rewrite the dividend. So this is the dividend, this is the dividend, this is p of x. And this is the divisor, okay? This is d of x. What we are going to get here on the top is going to be q of x. And the remainder is going to be on the tail. But before we start doing this, I'm going to rewrite the dividend, the p of x, okay? Because we would love to have like all of the terms like that has a degree less than 3, because we have x to the power of 3 is my leading term. Then what I'm going to do, I'm going to add these missing terms that has a degree of 2 and 1, okay? Because we have the last term has a degree of 0. So what we are going to do, just a little adjustment. So x cubed, I'm going to add the second degree, x squared, but we cannot add second degree term, right? Because it's not there, so we're going to multiply it by 0. We did nothing. I mean, 0 times x squared is 0. I will be doing the same thing with the x, so I'm going to add the second one, which is 0 times x, then the last one stays as is. Now we are good. We have all of the terms. The degree of 3 less than, and the other terms, okay? So now we have everything. We have x to the power of 3, x to the power of 2, x to the power of 1, x to the power of 0, which is the last term, the constant term. Then I'm going to divide by what? X plus 7. Then I'm going to perform the same steps I did in the previous video. If you don't know what did I do, what I'm doing here, if you don't know what I'm doing here, please refer to the previous video. It's over there. You can see it. So x cubed divided by x is x squared. Then multiply, you got x cubed plus 7x squared. Subtract, so you got 0, you got minus 7x squared. Bring down, bring down. Then again, divide, you got negative 7x. So negative 7x times x is negative 7x squared. And we have here negative 49x, sorry. Now subtract. When you subtract, you get 0, you get positive 49x. Bring down this guy. Now we divide again, you get positive 49. Then I'm going to multiply. I'm going to get 49x, then positive 343. Subtract, So 49x minus 49x is 0. Negative 343 minus 343 is going to be negative 686. Then I'm going to stop. Why I'm going to stop? Because this guy has a degree of 0, which is less than the degree of this divisor. The degree of the divisor is 1. The degree of what we got now is 0. Then we stop, okay? So this is my remainder. This is my remainder. This is my remainder, which is r of x. And because we finished, this is my q of x. So we got back to the question. So it says, express what we got by this. P of x is equal to the d of x times q of x plus r of x. This is P of x equals d of x. Now q of x. What is the q of x? We got x squared minus 7x plus 49. X squared minus 7x plus 49. Then we got minus, this is done here, you close the parentheses, then minus 686. 686. Good.